Hi guys, my name is Katie. Today I'll be showing you how I get my beach waves. This is my all-time favorite look. I tried curling my hair so many different ways and I tried different techniques, but I find that this way works best for my hair to get that more beachy wave curl look. So I'm super excited to share with you guys today. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so products I'll be using today are both by Joico. I have the volumizing finishing spray. I'll be using that at the end to break up the curl and loosen it up. And then the protective hairspray I will be using between each layer of the curls to give it a good hold. Alright, let's get started. So to begin with, go ahead and just comb out, brush out all your hair. If you don't want any clumps in there or anything that will interfere with the curl. Yeah. Once you've done that, go ahead and layer a little less than halfway. The first layer we want to start with a little smaller layer. We want it too big of a layer so the curl will hold, so it has something to hold. So we're going to give it a good ground base, so just about that much. Alright, so I find that with the beachy wave look, holding the curling iron horizontally gives you the best look. And to kind of show you what I'm talking about once we get more closer to the end, but go ahead and wrap it up and over and hold it for about 5 seconds, holding your curling iron nice. Don't point it down, don't point it up, because I find that when you do that, it loosens your curl and kind of weighs it down, and we don't really want that. So, I'm going to do that. Alright, so now that we got your last layer, go ahead and bring that all down. And then part it out where you like to. So now I'm going to kind of show you why I hold the curling iron the way I do. So go ahead and grab a piece. Just curl it the way you've been curling it. Up and over. The bigger pieces, I like to put my finger on the curling iron and kind of feel it. Once it starts warming up, that's when I know that it's ready. So mine's kind of getting warmer, so I'm going to release. So with this way, with holding the curling iron horizontally, it creates a bump right here that gives it more of a fuller look. So when we go to brush out the waves, it's going to look more volumized, and we haven't even volumized it. So you'll see that more once we go to style it. Alright, so just go around now and curl the rest of the hair, and then we'll get back to what we do next. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to straighten out the ends of the curls. What this will do is this will give it more of a wave look rather than a curl. See how my ends here are super curly? We are looking for more of a wave, so we want to just take our curling iron and just flatten that out. This waves it out more and makes it look more of a natural beach wave, which is what we're looking for in this style. You can take 3-4 curls together, sometimes they take a lot. I just kind of flatten it out. Alright, so now since I got that done, I'm going to take my Vomited Finishing Spray. I'm going to spray it all over the hair. You don't want too much, but a good amount. Once you've done that, you're going to simply take your fingers and run it through the hair, breaking up and loosening up those curls.
But it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true.
Well, there you have it, the beach wave look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I would love some feedback. And I will be making more hair tutorials and videos, so please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, guys.